Welcome to thingQbator. Now that you've signed up, let's dive deep into what you can achieve with the learning track, your gateway to mastering future-ready skills and exploring the world of technology. The learning track offers carefully curated courses in some of the most in-demand fields: IoT, web development, robotics, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence. Each course is designed to give you practical knowledge and real-world applications. But it's not all theory. These courses are interactive and project-focused, giving you a hands-on experience that you can showcase in your future endeavors. You will also have the access to expert curated resources and tools to support your learning journey. Whether you're looking to boost your career, expand your knowledge, or simply explore your passions, the learning track empowers you to grow, build, and achieve your goals. Here is how you can start your learning journey in just a few steps. After logging into the thingQbator portal, head to the Courses tab. Here, you can explore a wide range of courses designed to develop essential tech skills. Browse through the options and find the right fit for you. Click on a course to see what's inside. Each course includes a detailed overview and a chapter section breaking down the content into easy to follow modules. Once you are ready, click on Take Course to begin. The course is structured into multiple chapters featuring YouTube videos for visual learning and case studies for practical insights. Complete all the chapters and enter the final section to take the quiz. Once you qualify, you will be awarded a certificate which can be downloaded from the portal. That's it. Explore, learn, grow with thingQbator. Are you ready to explore the world of possibilities? Choose the learning track and take your first step towards mastering the future of technology.